Isn't it cute?
It is adorable.
It's the cutest, tiniest little house.
It is.
Probably gonna need an addition.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. It's got curb appeal, even though it's like sad right now.
Yeah, I mean, a little bit of landscaping.
It definitely needs a little love in the front.
Yeah, I mean, I'm imagining it without vinyl and with a little gabled roof.
But yeah, change that roof line out, give it a, oh goodness.
Yeah, maybe a new
Give it a little more curb
maybe a new
appeal.
hinge, something, and probably a new porch.
New porch, new railing. Ta-da! This one is not bad.
No, it doesn't smell good though.
The smell is fierce.
Yeah, we need to open a window. Smells
Get that.
don't usually bother me, but this is too much.
The whole house is pretty stinky.
And it's surprising because it looks pretty clean.
Oh.
There's something that's making a smell.
Some air through here.
Yeah, I'm gonna open
I don't have anything long enough to poke the ceiling, but there's obviously a drop ceiling.
Because you want to. Okay, starting demo already. Sorry.
We'll kind of do what we usually do, take the first chunk and make it all public space.
Okay.
Bedroom on back, but more drop
This is
ceilings
good. I
here.
like this.
Got a bedroom
Look
here,
at the pretty pink polka dots.
but nothing fancy.
Little itty bitty closet. All right. Seriously, we gotta get some air in here. I'm gonna puke.
So down the hall, we've got bedroom number 2.
I like these doorways.
Right.
It's actually more space than I expected.
Again, nothing fancy.
Hang on. I'm just gonna open windows as I go. It's weird how bad it smells. Let me open that. Ugh. All these windows are bad. All the seals are bad.
So we got the kitchen and 1 bathroom on the back. This is very slanty. This whole foundation is going back at an angle. I don't think this back portion is original.
I wouldn't be surprised if it was an addition.
So the back shed addition to East Street is very wonky. There's a lot of leaning and sloping. So I think our best bet is just to take off the back of the house, fix any foundation issues, and then we can build out a new kitchen and a 2-story addition for the master suite, and then another bedroom and bathroom upstairs. Come on, Frankie. Corey asked us to swing by our property on East because he had something he needed to talk to us about. What's going on in here? I thought we were gonna have counters already.
No, we couldn't. We went to go template, and this is just the worst thing ever.
Why is it the worst thing? What's wrong?
Well, I'm not sure what you guys did here when it came time to install.
What do you mean?
Someone made it an actual point to set this base cabinet right where my dishwasher goes. And then they drilled through the bottom of my cabinet.
I was wondering why the island was so short. It should have come out to here.
It does, What did you do?
I did that.
Okay.
I did that. I didn't see the dishwasher.
appreciate you.
I didn't look at the template.
You
I didn't
own it.
This has been an excellent
This is me.
blamestorming session.
This is me.
He looks like the cat that ate the canary, standing in the kitchen.
Because we made a mistake.
Corey never gets to be right, so he looked super
He was so happy. He was so happy.
But you're actually gonna have them move this sooner than
Well, once we get this moved, we can probably do it Friday.
sweet.
All right.
We're rolling right along at East Street. We've got our pretty front steps installed, and we put an accent on the little porch roof that makes it look super cute. And inside, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Me and Mom and Frank are gonna help John install some tile.
And Frank's here to help.
Frank is new to the family, and I want to make sure to bring him to as many of the job sites as I can so he gets used to all the noises, and he's gotta be a construction dog. You hang out over here, mister.
Okay. All right,
Let's do
what
it
can I
to
do
it.
to be a helper?
So go ahead and start buttering a few of these up.
This tile is actually made of concrete, so not only is it thicker than porcelain tile, but the matte finish isn't as slippery, so I love it in the bathrooms.
Okay, now we're a little high and we can just tap it down.
Absolutely.
There are few things, at least for me, in construction as gratifying as tile. You spend a couple hours, not that hard of work, and then boom, you have this gorgeous new floor and it's just done. It's all right there and pretty.
Maybe it's because she's young that she doesn't realize how hard it is on your back and your knees.
Okay, Mina, it's your turn.
Looks like you got it from here on out, Mina. I'm gonna go have a beverage.
Yeah. I know all her tricks. This is what she does when she doesn't want to work. I'm so glad Mom came to the job site today. We could not have done it without her and Frank.
I hope I got you before you stood up. Yes, I did. I got you before you stood up.
She's being sarcastic, but I entertain Frank, which is important.
Oh my God! so good.
It's an attention getter. I like it.
You want to go inside?
Yes.
let's see it.
Let's see it.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
You can cry, that's okay. That's usually our goal.
I love it so much.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I can't even like take it all in. It's so good.
So this is the wall that we had to fire rate, which means no holes because it's so close to the house
other-
next door.
right.
We couldn't do any windows. This one we wanted to make a little bit more interesting because we couldn't really do anything with it. It was just a flat wall.
I mean, you really did it.
It's just 18-inch square tiles. Just put it up like wallpaper.
What? Oh my gosh.
I love it so much.
It's so beautiful. Just the little pops of color.
Before, when you walked into the house, it was just this space that I think was a living room, a hallway, a room. So we took down that wall and made it really nice and open. We kept the kitchen really like light and bright and the wall colors light. So it feels big because the house is only 16 feet wide.
It feels huge in here.
Right.
It really opens everything up.
Yeah. This is quartz.
Okay.
This has the flavor of Carrara because it's got the gray lines in it, but it has the durability of quartz, which is awesome.
Love that.
You guys knocked it out of the park.
I love it. I love it.
Let's come see your little hall bathroom. Oh, it's so
nice.
cool. Oh my God, the tile. I can't take it.
You guys, I love the colors.
So before, this was a second bedroom towards the back of the house. And now we use some of that space to make this cute little half bath.
I like the mirror. I do too. I love it so much.
Love it.
All right, let's check out your first floor master. Everything from this staircase back is all new construction.
Oh, wow.
There's your bedroom.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
It's everything I ever hoped for.
Love it, guys.
Oh my gosh.
So both the bedrooms have en-suites. This one has a double vanity and a little bit bigger tub.
Yeah, it looks so good. Look at that shower, girl.
Deep
I love
tub.
it. I love this. Yeah, I love it.
You each have your own sink. You have your own storage area.
Yeah, I love it. It's huge. It feels really spacious and big.
Why don't we go upstairs?
Because the upstairs space is very Adrian-esque.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Take him out there.
Yep. Oh my gosh!
Is it so
This is so cool!
And I don't know if you noticed, but this is the Indiana skyline.
Very cool.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop.
So this is your little workspace.
I'm gonna do some things right here.
So you can fold it up if you want to use this, like if you're not using it as desk space.
I love it so much.